Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can access the AI chatbot on Snapchat. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So Snapchat's My AI chatbot, which is powered by OpenAI ChatGPT technology, is now available to all the users following its initial trial period with Snapchat Plus users. So the announcement was made in this month and it has been started rolling out to everyone. So in addition to offering users a chatbot experience inside the app, My AI is also highly customizable, allowing users to personalize it by giving it a unique name and choosing a custom wallpaper for their chat. So let me show you how you can get My AI on your Snapchat app. So you want to first make sure you go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Snapchat. Make sure that's updated to the latest version. Once you've updated, go ahead and tap on Open. Now you want to tap on Chat at the bottom. And from here, you want to go ahead and open up a chat. And once you do this, you'll see My AI right here. As you can see, it hasn't been rolled out to my phone yet, so I don't have it. So I just need to wait until it's been rolled out to me as well. So from what I've read, the chatbot has a number of skills, including the ability to recommend birthday gift ideas, plan hiking trips for weekend, suggest you a recipe, write poems, and many more. So there you go. That is how to access My AI on Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.